Imagine a bustling ant city where communication is key. Ants use pheromones, tiny chemical signals, to chat. But here's the kicker. Some ants can lay down a panic pheromone. When released, it sends the colony into a frenzy, like a fire alarm in a crowded theater. This pheromone is so potent that it can even make ants run in circles, bumping into each other in chaos. It's nature's way of saying, "Run for your lives." This quirky communication method keeps the colony safe and on its toes. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.